Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Today is World Music Day. The music festival dubbed Fête de la Musique originated in France but has now grown to be a worldwide event with participation by more than 700 cities in 120 countries. Free concerts are also organized where musicians play for fun and not for payment, and is intended to encourage persons to play their music in neighborhoods or in public spaces and parks. In celebration of Fête de la Musique, the courtyard of the Grog Shop at Devon House in Kingston will host a musical event from 5 p.m. until 9 p.m. where patrons can enjoy a variety of musical genres ranging from classical to jazz, reggae and dancehall. This year, the lineup will include recording artists such as Giarc, Vicente and more. Dancehall artist Conscience' love affair with music and fashion is still bubbling since 2013 when he launched the high-end shoe brand Cons 876, which was discontinued due to conflict with the primary stakeholders.
I always like, you know what I mean, to look good and put my name on things. Right now is not I don't have a clothing line out, I just merchandise. But I will be launching a clothing line at the end of summer.
Available on the Dancehall DJ's website, t-shirts, caps, hoodies, and long sleeves. While speaking with E-Prime, Conscience shared why he chose to get into the fashion industry.
80% of your fans are female, why you not provide clothes for them? So definitely the clothing line where I come, it's going to have clothes for everybody, both male and female. I don't want to give it too much about it yet. It's about a little special thing about it I don't want to talk about yet.
The Gala Bubble DJ is steadily making musical moves as he recently teamed up with dancehall artist Shenseea and music producer Russian for the track Hard Drive. Conscience is scheduled to perform in Barcelona, Spain on July 6. Now, on the international scene, Florida authorities say they've arrested a man in the shooting death of rapper XXXTentacion. In a news release sent this morning, the Broward Sheriff's Office said that a 22-year-old man was arrested shortly before 7 o'clock yesterday. In a further update, XXXTentacion's mother has announced via his social media that the charity event that he was planning for this Sunday in South Florida is still happening. 20-year-old rapper XXXTentacion was fatally shot in his sports car on Monday afternoon after he was ambushed by two suspects as he left an upscale sports dealership. R&B singer Mary J. Blige has signed on to star in Bodycam, a horror thriller being made by Paramount's Players Division. Blige has previously earned 2 Oscar nominations for her work in Mudbound. The film Bodycam focuses on several LAPD police officers who are haunted by a malevolent spirit that is tied to the murder of a black youth at the hands of 2 white cops, all of which is caught on a Bodycam video that was destroyed in a cover-up. Blige will play an officer who becomes rocked by visions and begins to investigate the cover-up. It is the first top-lining role for Blige, who for years has made her mark as a groundbreaking R&B hip-hop artist who has won 9 Grammys while selling millions of albums. She has appeared in several films, including Tyler Perry's I Can Do Bad All By Myself and Rock of Ages with Tom Cruise, as well as television events such as NBC's musical The Wiz Live. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Thank you for watching.